Okay, we are at the Denali Princess Lodge, and this is Building J, room 118. And it's a nice room. Here we go. It's very roomy. Imagine if we had that on the ship, huh? So, you've got your TV, a nice table and set of chairs. Over here you have coffee. There's power underneath it. Is there power underneath this desk? Yes, there is power underneath the desk. So if you need to work on a laptop or something, you are set there. Okay, so for this very large end table, they seem to be doing what the other princess ones have been doing. This great little power station where you have 2 regular plugs and 2 USB-A plugs. Then you have a dark cubby and a couple of good-sized drawers to put your things in. These could almost be little dressers, basically, as big as they are, which is good because there's no other drawers that I can see. So each person gets 2 drawers in a dresser, and yeah, it's a nice big king-size bed. These are lights that are individually controlled by the bed here. There's another power outlet here, as well as a full-length mirror. And this is the closet. Let's see what that looks like. Looks pretty closet-y to me. Don't see a light offhand, but you know, it's your basic closet. Up there is a hairdryer in a bag. We have luggage rack. We have a fan. A nice little bench here if you need to have a seat, put your shoes on or something. And then the bathroom. Oh, and your basic analog thermostat. Now, this is a nice bathroom. Lots of counter space. Toilet. What it does have that kind of surprised me though is it's got a big shower. A very big shower actually, but no tub. And it has the same toiletries as before. And of course the dreaded shower curtain that probably comes to visit you. But all in all, it's a very serviceable shower, and you see it's also got a good grab bar here in case you need that. It's obviously not a handicap room because there's no other grab bars of any kind, and it's not a roll-in shower. But, you know, someone who had some mobility issues probably wouldn't have a problem with this. But there is stairs to get up. They're not very big, but there are stairs. Let me show them to you real fast. Okay, so, well, maybe not, because over here we've got a ramp, so maybe that's the way it's accessible. So this might be an accessible room, I'm not sure. But, and then here is the entryway, and this is J118. So Lucy signing off.